Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this recipe I am going to show you how to make red velvet cake. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now for more recipes. I am starting by adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar in 1 cup of room temperature milk. Mix it well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes our buttermilk mixture is ready. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix them together. Now add 1/4 cup of any flavorless oil and mix all the ingredients together. Now it's time to add dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk powder, half tablespoon of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve all the dry ingredients nicely. Now make a smooth batter by gently mixing all the ingredients together. Now add red gel food color and mix it gently. Now pour the batter in a greased baking pan. Here I have used a 6-inch heart-shaped pan. Bake it for 35 to 40 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven. While our cake is baking, here I am going to make a whipping cream. So for that, here I have used around 4 oz of cream cheese and I am going to beat it until it gets nice and smooth. After 3 to 4 minutes, as you can see, our cream cheese is nicely whipped. So now I am going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream gradually. Now whip the mixture until it gets the soft peak. Now add around 1/3 cup of icing sugar and whip it until it gets the stiff peak. After 1 minute or so, as you can see, our frosting is ready. On the other side, our cake is also perfectly baked, so I am going to unmold it. Now let it completely cool before slicing. Now apply some frosting on a cake board and place the first layer. Apply some sugar syrup to make it more moist. Now sprinkle some cake crumbs and place the another layer. Cover the entire cake with frosting. Now here I am using a small cookie cutter to make a cute heart shape. Now cover the entire cake with cake crumbs. Here I have used a star nozzle to decorate this cake, but you can use any nozzle that you would like. Now refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours before serving. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.